When it comes to dominating the 250 motocross class, few machines carry as much pedigree as Honda's race-ready weapon. The 2026 Honda CRF250R is built for one purpose: winning. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're breaking down Honda's premier 250cc motocross machine. Let's dive into what makes this bike a serious track contender. Design. The 2026 Honda CRF250R features Honda's refined twin-spar aluminum frame, delivering exceptional rigidity and lightweight handling. The aggressive styling looks fast standing still. Ergonomics are race-focused, allowing seamless rider movement during intense motos. At around 233 pounds, the chassis feels nimble and responsive through every section of the track. Performance. The heart of this machine is Honda's DOHC 249cc single-cylinder engine with 4 valves. It revs freely and produces competitive power throughout the range. The engine delivers strong bottom-end hit while pulling hard toward redline. The close-ratio 5-speed transmission shifts precisely, keeping you in the power band when attacking corners and launching out of ruts. Features and technology. Showa suspension handles damping duties front and rear. The 49mm coil spring fork and ProLink rear system soak up harsh landings and rough track conditions beautifully. Large twin-piston front brakes provide excellent stopping power. Honda's Engine Mode Select allows riders to choose mapping preferences for different track conditions. Conclusion. The 2026 Honda CRF250R continues the brand's commitment to motocross excellence. It's refined, powerful, and ready to compete right out of the crate. Would you line up on this machine? Drop your thoughts below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, share with your moto crew, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more. See you at the track!